Got a buddy coming over. We're gonna change the struts on his car. But first, we're gonna feed these stale cookies on a slice of bread to the chickens. The red cup is mine. It's a soda. I'm not allowed to take the regular drinking glasses out of the house. Yeah. Okie doke. What's the matter, Speckles? Smush is running away. She's shy. Henrietta's laying an egg. It's red velvet. Everybody likes red velvet. A friend of mine has this Chrysler Pacifica where the strut mount broke and popped up and went through the hood just like a bullet. Almost gangsta style. To complete this job, you'll need a jack stands, a 21mm wrench, an 18mm wrench, a 13mm wrench, a 10mm wrench, and a T40 Torx. Remove the two 21mm nuts, but don't remove them off the stud all the way. The stud's pressed in, and you have to tap them out. So leave the nut on the end of the bolt just so you tap on it without damaging the threads. Next, remove the 10mm bolt that is holding the anti-lock brake cable on. Remove the sway bar link by holding the center of it still with the T40 Torx and using the box end 18mm to remove the nut. Remove the three 13mm strut mount bolts. Do not remove the big nut in the middle that's holding the spring in. That is bad. On the driver's side, you'll have to remove the water bottle, which is just held on by one nut on top, and the two nuts on the side don't have to be removed, just loosened. And the strut should just fall right out. Be careful to hold on to it tight. You don't want to damage your brake line or your anti-lock wire. And installation is in reverse, easy peasy. If the holes don't line up, just use a jack to move the knuckle up until the holes match. And if the sway bar link don't meet up, just use a jack to compress the strut until they match. And there you have it. Any questions, leave a comment down below. Any comments, who cares about that crap anyhow? Okie doke. Thanks for watching.